Welcome to Bullseye Education. Today we will learn about Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams help in 1. Visualize the data, see connections and relations in the data. 2. See overlap in data. 3. Identify data that is disconnected from the remaining data. Components of a Venn diagram. Data sets, cricket players and soccer players will be both represented by a circle. The rectangle, all the data or universal data set. There are 50 soccer players and 60 cricket players in the school. 15 students play both soccer and cricket. The total number of students in the school is 200. Find the number of players who play soccer and cricket only. Also, find the number of players who do not play any sport. Let's look at the diagram. All school students, 200, are represented by an outer rectangle. Step 1. First, fill the intersection with the number of players who play both sports. Since 15 players play soccer and cricket, we will put 15 in the common area. Step 2. Then, the number of players who play only soccer will be 35. This is obtained by taking the total number of soccer players, 50, and subtracting 15 soccer players who also play cricket. Similarly, the number of players who play only cricket will be 45. This is obtained by subtracting the total number of cricket players, 60, and subtracting 15 players who also play soccer. Step 3. The total number of players is 200. The total number of players who play soccer or cricket is 95. Adding the number of cricket and soccer players gives us 110 players. However, we have counted 15 players twice. So the total number of cricket and soccer players is 95. The number of players who play soccer and cricket will be 105.